Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the simple calculator programming using Python Tkinter. It is nothing but a Python GUI application. So we have to show the demo. So this is a demo, simple demo. You can see the number one. I'm going to enter 45. Number two, 45. Click add button. 90 will be the total. Now if I enter the 90 subtraction here, it will be subtraction. So multiplication is a multiplication display, the division. Okay, it's working successfully. Okay, this is simple calculator. How to make the step by step we'll see. Right. So first what you are going to do is I'm going to make the new project. So in order to do the program, I am using the PyCharm. If you are not still download the PyCharm, you go to the respective website and download the PyCharm editor in your machine. Okay, here this is a free edition. I have downloaded the PyCharm community edition. You will be able to get the download from the internet for community edition. Okay, this is free. After that, you have to open the new project. So file, new project. So named as calculate. Calculate. Okay, click create this window. So your project is created. You wait. So it's created. It has been created successfully. This is your folder. Right click new. Here select as file Python file. Here I'm going to the calculate. So cal. Click on this. Double click on this. The project has been created successfully. Now you have to paste this code. Okay. So don't worry. For return and explain, it takes too much of time to complete. This all the source code I provided. Don't worry. First you have to understand how this programming works. Right. So here first, in order to do the GUI application in Python, you have to type import Tkinter. If you type this class Tkinter, this Tkinter class resides on all the tools regarding the GUI application, which is a text box, labels, text boxes, radio. So all the controls should be reside on Tkinter. Right. After that, we have this Tkinter. We have to adapt it to the Windows. Windows means when the application is Windows phone. So we write there's a keyword called window equal Tkinter tk if you call it. After this, a title. The Windows title, Windows or title calculator mean, which is a title, which is what are the title you are given? Calculator here. So calculator. Right. After that, geometry. Okay, so this one should be there. Our size. If you increase the size, you will be able to increase the size over here. Okay, I have given 400 to 100. If you want, you can increase the size you want. Right. After that, you have to design the labels. So label, first I'm going to label one, Tkinter. This Tkinter, we have set the label. It's a window, you have set window. Text box, what's the text you have to display? Here the first text, number one. You have to write it number one. Font, you will be able to change the font, what the font you want. I have given here as a Arial bold. Okay, what is the font you need, you will be important over here. Okay, that's your wish. So I have done it here as an Arial bold. Right? Size I mentioned as 10. You can given any size of it. Okay, I just given as a 10. Right? So size. The second one, label grid column 0 row 0 means this is the where your grid is display where column 0 row 0 means it would be display over here. This is a column 0 0. Okay. So after that, second row should be the 0. Column 0 means column 0 position, but row 1 means second one. The 0 is starting from row is 0 position, 1 2 is going on. Okay, right? So that's the thing we have right here. After that, you can see here column 0 means this one here. Here column here the rows 1 2 1 0 here. Column 2 means it goes here. That's how we have split out. Okay, all right. So after that, here where the result should be displayed over here. Here column 3. We divide by 1 2 3. Yeah, there are 3. Okay. So here that's how we have write it. Here this one here is a entry column 1 row 0. After that, column 1 row 1 here, column 1, row 1, it display over here. So write it like this. Okay, so that's why this is a text box grid. Text box grid means this is a text box. This is a position. First you have to understand the position, how the position works. Okay, so first you have to understand. First here I'll give you this code. Here first you have to understand how the thing is work. Column 0, row 0. So the position should be 0 here. Column 0, row 1 means second this one. Right after that here column 1. That's a column 1. This is a column 1. Okay, second one, column 1, row 0. Right after the column 1, row 1. It's a row. So column 1 means this one, row 1 means this one, row 0 means this position. That's how we have designed the form. Right. After that, we have designed the, what's this? Buttons. So the column 0 means this is the position, column 0, row 2 means 1, so 2, 0. Row starting on 0, 1, 2. Okay. Here row 2, column 1, column 2, column 3. We have defined the buttons. So here we have added the text. What's the text? Button much Tkinter button, Windows, text add. This is add. This is a text. This would be display. Background color you have to mention as yellow. If you want, we can give any color of that one. I gave here this one. Of subtraction, we have to give the subtraction yellow. Okay, so after that multiplication, after the division, this is the color we have set it. Okay, simple. Right, very simple. Right, after that when you type 77, click add button, click this command, is calling the function, this one, post here, label config. So you have to write get the text, what the text you are type on this text field, you have to get this text and this text, both are added. Right, both are added. It is passing the label form in here. This is the label form you have written. The same thing here also. When you are subtraction mean, when you click this one, second button, it goes to here. What's the values? Number 1, number 2. It will be subtraction. Same like a division as well. When you click division button, it goes over here. Multiplication, division. When you click this button, it goes to division here. Here we have to specify the command mean this is the action. On click event. Java on click listener, the same thing. So on click method, we have to return Python, we have to call it as command. We have to call it as command. It's a very simple code. We have to explain. Okay, it's very simple. So we have to do the simple calculator program. Okay, you have to write to all the windows you are running. We have Windows loop, main loop. You have to call it over here. Okay, so it is a button design. You understand the button design, the Tkinter buttons, all the button design. When you enter the two numbers and click this command button, it goes to the appropriate function. This is def. If you are writing the function, you have to write the def keyword function name, def keyword function name. You have to write like this. Don't write this all source code I provide you. I hope I understood so far well. Thank you for watching.